Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can create a TikTok account. So for that, first of all, you open the TikTok application that you have downloaded. Once you open the TikTok, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap that. This will give you this option of sign up for TikTok. Now here you need to choose the option of how you want to sign up for your TikTok account. There are a few other options as well. Continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Twitter. If you tap on these options, your account will get created with just one tap on your device. Here we're going to go through email and phone process. So tap on use phone or email. Now first, to sign up, you need to provide your date of birth. Tap on next. Now for signing up, you need to choose whether you want to sign up through the phone number or through email address. I'm going to choose the email process. Tap on email. Now here you type in the email address. Then tap on next. You need to provide the password. Tap on next. Provide a username for your TikTok account. Here you tap on sign up. This username is not available, so you need to try a different one. Then tap on sign up. And with that, you have created yourself a TikTok account. So this is how you can create a TikTok account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.